Welcome students, welcome in our e-learning classes of Bardhan Model School. Student, today I will solve exercise 8.1 question number 4, 5, 6 of the chapter, that is of the chapter comparing quantities. Previous day in our previous video we have solved question number 1, 2 and 3. Now today I will solve just 3 questions 4, 5, 6 and see these 3 questions. After solving these 3 questions we will shift to exercise 8.2. okay, just yesterday I have given some concept of ratio. Okay, today question number 4, 5 and 6 are based on the concept of percentage means something which to be expressed in with respect to 100. And if I say that any students got 60 out of 100, 60 out of 100 means he or she got 60% marks. Any students got 10 marks out of 20, 10 marks out of 20. Now just convert it into 100, multiplying by 5 both side, both numerator and denominator, that is 100 and 50. So he or she got 50%. That is the concept of percentage. It means expressing with respect to 100, expressing with respect to 100. Now the question number 4. Question number 4, that is, a football team won 10 matches out of total number of matches they played. A football team have won 10 matches out of total number of matches they played. If the win percentage was 40%, how many matches they played? Okay, so percentage of winning matches, that is 40%. okay, that is 40%. It means one thing it is clear, and total number of matches they have won, that is the number 10 matches they have won. Okay, 10 matches they have won out of total number of matches. Now one thing is clear, student, 40% match they have won, it means 60%. Total 100%, 100 minus 40, that is 60% matches they have lost. Okay, so question is find the total number of matches. In this question we can solve two method. First of all I am taking a help of algebra. Total number of matches is x, and 40% the percentage of winning matches, that is 40%. 40% of what? X. 40% of total matches. So according to question, 40% of total matches x, that is 10. So 40% into x equal to 10. 40, for removing that percentage you have to give in here 100 into x equal to 10. So 0. Now x equal to 10 is division here, so in this side it will be multiplied. 4 is 4 into x, so in this side that will be divided. So 4, 2, 5, 5, so 25. So x equal to 25. What is x? X means total number of matches. So total number of matches they have played 25 matches. Okay, they have played 25 matches. Now I solve this question using the help of, or by using algebra. I can solve this question by taking another statement by, okay, I am solving that is unitary method. Okay, 40% matches they have won, and 40% matches means 10. So 40% matches mean 10 matches. 1 matches, that is 10 by 40%. Okay, and here question is how many matches they have played, that is 100%. So 100% matches means 10 by 40% into 100%. Percentage remove, 0 remove, 4 25. So total matches they have placed, that is 25. That is by unitary method. So you can solve, but better to solve this question in algebraic way by taking x. Okay, so I have solved question number 4. Now moving on, question number 5. Question number 5, that is, so in the question number 5, that is, if Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of money, how much did he in the beginning? Okay, so I have written here that she spent 75%, and now she have left rupees 600. So total money 100%. So she have not spent that is 100 minus 75%, so that is 25%. Okay, so 25% had not spent. That 25% means rupees 600. Okay, now total money in beginning is rupees x. Okay, now x of 25%, that is 600. X of 25%, that is rupees 600. Now x by 25 for removing that percent, that is 100, equal to 600. Or x, 100 is division here, so in this side it will be in multiplication. 25 is multiplication, so here divide. So 4, 600 into 4, 2400. So total money she had in the beginning is rupees 400, 2400. So total money in the beginning, it was rupees 2400. Okay, 240. In the beginning she had rupees 2400. Now moving on, question number 6. Okay, and that is the last question of the exercise, that if the 60% people in a city liking cricket, so cricket liking 60% people like cricket. Student, just I am giving that some as hints. You will solve it completely at your home. Okay, and 30% people like football, so football 30% people, and remaining that is 100 minus 60 plus 30, 90 minus 100 minus 90, that is 10. Other game remainings are like other games, that is 10%, that is others game. Okay, now question is, if the total number of people 50 lakh, total number of people equal to 50 lakh. Total number of people is 50 lakh. Find who likes each game. So cricket, how many people like cricket? That is 60% of what? 60% of total population, total number of people. So 60% of 50 lakh. Okay, so 60 into 50, by removing that percentage sign, I am giving you 100, 0, 0, 0. So 30 lakh people like cricket. Okay, now football means 30%. People who likes football, that is 30%. 30% of what? 30% of 50 lakh. Okay, so removing that percentage, giving here 100 into 50 lakh, 0, 0, 0, 0, that is 50 lakh. Okay, so 50 lakh football like 50 lakh people like football. Now other games, Other games means students, that is 10%. Other games that is 10% of 50 lakh. So 10 into 50 lakh by 100, 000, that is 5 lakh. So other games, 5 lakh people like other games. So first 60, that is 30 lakh. Second 50 lakh, 50 lakh people like football, and 5 lakh people like other game. So students, in this video I have solved question number 4, 5, 6 of exercise 8.1. Next video will start the exercise 8.2. I hope the concept is clear regarding these three sums. If it is not, then you can ask me in our e-portal regarding any question, any video what I have solved in your class. And students, again I am requesting to all the students that be regular in e-portal and regularly watch the video which are uploading in our YouTube channel. That will help to enrich your study very clearly. Okay students, thank you.